lot left in that one. I'd say just go ahead and push that. Why was I getting in your grunt? Oh.
Yeah, there's only certain ages you can take videos of people pooping. Sitting at the dinner table pooping. And tired. And half asleep. Oh yeah, you're falling asleep. Yeah, did you get it finished up? Not quite. It's hard when you're sitting on it at the same time. Alright. The end. We'll get this all cleaned up. Tops and bottoms.